Hi, this tutorial will cover logging in and getting started. To log in, enter your provided username and password. Be sure to change your password using the reset password link. A reset link will be sent to your setup email or student email. Please be sure to check your junk email also. Selecting the info button will show you user controls and key bindings. Also, please untick VR enabled if you do not want to run VR mode on a VR enabled PC with a compatible Oculus headset as is demonstrated in this tutorial. Please note that it may take a few moments to load the scenario. Once the scenario has loaded, you will have two options on the screen. Once you have logged in, select either Mark or Andrea's scenario. In this case, we'll select Mark. Then, click the clinical chart icon on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen and navigate to session P1. This will provide an appropriate session overview of the scenario. Session P2 is associated with Andrea's scenario. Please make sure to read both of these thoroughly before commencing each scenario. Also remember there's an exam summary where you can take notes for each scenario. To pan the camera, press and hold the right mouse button whilst moving the mouse. Use the arrow keys on the keyboard to move around and position yourself in front of the avatar. To interact with the patient, objects in the room, or on-screen icons such as the chart or recording icon, press the left mouse button. Remember you can do both of these simultaneously if you need, and you can also use the arrow keys. Clicking on the avatar with the left mouse click will bring up the communication options. Selecting the clinical instructions will allow you to guide the avatar where to sit in the room or other clinical instructions when necessary. The guided options will bring up associated communication scenarios to each avatar. Hi Mark, my name is Dr. Collins. Please come this way. To get the most out of the training exercise, we encourage you to use the microphone to say the option you think is most appropriate. So to do this, press and hold the microphone icon whilst talking and then let go when you're done saying the intended phrase. If you make a mistake or recording error, try again and make sure you're in a relatively quiet room whilst holding down the record button or you're not picking up any background noise. In this example, saying the clinical instruction option, please make yourself comfortable, instructs the patient to sit on the couch. Correspondingly, asking the patient to please lay down will instruct the patient to lay down on the exam table. Finally, asking the patient to please take a seat will instruct the patient to sit down on the office chair next to the practitioner's desk. After you have asked the patient to sit somewhere, please proceed with the guided scenario. Also, note that clicking on the chair opposite the patient will allow you to change the camera and face the patient directly. Pressing escape will exit out of this view. Please note, selecting the middle text box icon will allow you to view qualitative feedback in relation to your chosen response. Be sure to read these as you progress through the scenario. Also, pressing F1 will toggle subtitles on or off. Once you have completed the scenario, please select the Quit button, which will upload your session data to your user log. You then may log in again and then complete the corresponding scenario to finish the training exercise.